I'm Tasman, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a Men's Hemp Moisturiser using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program, and then click on the Oil in Water Lotion Build, and then click Create. Firstly, I'm going to select a humectant. Now I do want to select a non-tacky one for a men's product, so I'm going to go with the propane dial. Next is my gum, and I'm going to select the Solar Gum Tara. Next is my non-ionic emulsifier, and I'm going to select the Montanov 68. Now I'm going to select some hemp seed oil. And I'm also going to select some Miracle 318, just so it's not as greasy. I'm going to add something that's light and drying. Next up is my preservative. And I'm going to select the Yuxel. For my essential oil, I'm going to add some peppermint. For my active, I'm going to select the Baobab protein. This is great for moisturising, anti-aging, and it also helps with repairing UV damage as well. And lastly is my antioxidant. And I'm just going to go with the mixed tocopherols. And then generate method. And there you have a full formula method. Now let's get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a Men's Hemp Moisturiser using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get creating your own moisturiser. Happy formulating!